How should I format my postal address?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to discuss an often overlooked but vital aspect of communication, the proper formatting of a postal address. Get this right and your letters, packages, and all sorts of mail will reach their intended destination without a hitch. Let's dive right into it and ensure that your post doesn't go astray because of poor addressing. Remember, proper addressing is the key to timely mail delivery.
What is a postal address?
A postal address is a series of specific information that pinpoints the location where a person or an organization can be contacted or visited. It typically consists of your name, street number, street name, city, state, and zip code. This information helps postal services to correctly and swiftly deliver your mail.
How to format a postal address?
When it comes to formatting your postal address, you should be careful to include all the necessary details. Here's a breakdown of the elements that should be included in a standard postal address. 1. Your full name or company's name. This should be the first line of your address, making it clear who the mail is intended for. 2. Street address. This is the physical location where you can be found. It should include both the building number and the street name. 3. City, state, and zip code. All these need to be on the same line, with the city name followed by the state abbreviation and then the zip code. 4. Country. This is especially important if the mail is being sent internationally. Here's an example to illustrate. John Doe 123 Main Street, Cityville, ST 12345, United States. Remember, each part of the address should be on a separate line.
Tips for formatting your postal address.
Here are a few additional tips to ensure your address is correctly formatted. Avoid abbreviations. While it's common to use abbreviations for states, try to avoid shortening other parts of the address. If you do need to abbreviate, be sure to use the standard postal abbreviations. Use proper capitalization. Capitalize proper nouns such as your name, street name, city, and country. No punctuation. You don't need to include periods or commas in your address. International addresses. If you're sending mail internationally, the country name should be written in all capital letters on the last line. And there we have it, folks. That's how you format a postal address correctly. We hope this video has been informative and will aid you in your future postal endeavors. Remember, the correct address format is a crucial part of ensuring your mail reaches its intended destination on time. Happy mailing!